Welcome to the Find It and Finish It book club. I've just found it. Now I'm going to finish it. This book club is for rug hookers, makers, quilters, weavers, knitters, any kind of maker. And what we want to do is just recommend audiobooks for us to listen to while we are hooking, knitting, quilting, whatever it is. So I'm recommending a book each, like about once every month or every 2 months, I'll recommend a book and we'll list that as the book that a lot of us are listening to. But I encourage you to take pictures of the books that you are reading that you think would make a good audiobook, or just post a picture of the book that you are listening to. I encourage you to show us your working projects, your work in progress. Every Wednesday, make it a Wednesday work in progress day, whatever you want. Just be encouraged and know that you are in a community that is listening and learning as they hook rugs. And that's what I love about audiobooks, is that I'm hooking a rug anyway. And sometimes I listen to nonfiction and I get to learn about new ideas. Sometimes I listen to a story about Ireland and I get carried away to Ireland. It's just, or to the deep south, or to up north, or to Newfoundland. It could be anywhere. Books take us places. And I like my mind to just get carried away when I'm hooking. And then I'm not like paying attention to every loop and getting too fussy. It just lets me get into a state of flow that I really like and I think is really healthy for my hooking. So that's why I listen to audiobooks when I'm working and hooking. And maybe you can tell us why in the posts below. So what we want you to do is post and communicate and just comment on other readers or listeners or rug hookers or quilters ideas and thoughts. And it's just a little community for people who make and people who listen to audiobooks. It's the Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio, Find It and Finish It Audiobook Club. You're a member. Welcome. Get posting. We want to hear from you. See ya.